Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the Slim Snacker. This is a Graco product. It's a high chair that can recline. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's supposed to have that 1 second fold unfold design, so you can put it away out of the way very easily. Let's go ahead and set it up. The assembly took me less than 2 minutes, super quick, just the two legs that go in. As far as folding it up, there's a button on the back here, and you can recline your baby to as low as this angle. This is a middle angle, and then the highest one. So recline function is super easy to use. There's a clip here, press on the middle, and both will pop off just like that. The top straps, the height can be changed, so you can just kind of push it through and pull it out the top one if your kid's a little bit taller or is growing out of the bottom strap. Otherwise, if you want to use the shoulder straps, all you're going to do is line it up with the bottom strap before you put it on. So same thing on the other side, line it up and then slide it on. That's it. And then you can pull this to tighten, or just pull from the side here, from the sides like this to loosen the strap. It's pretty easy to do. And same thing on here. If you want to loosen the strap, you're going to pull down. If you want to tighten the strap, you're going to pull up. And all of these straps are going to need adjustment depending on the size of your baby. So the default setting will not be what you use right off the bat. Just adjust so that your kid still has some room to move, but still secure enough so they're not toppling it over. There is a footrest for them right here. You take this out. On the bottom, there's a storage area for you to put your nicks and knacks, whatever you might use regularly for feeding, your bibs, whatever. Now for the fun part, to fold it away, all you have to do is pull the strap from the back. So and behind the cushions, there's this strap. All you're going to do is pull it up, and literally 1 second, and it's ready to store. To pull it back out, all you do is grab the back of the seat and pull it up, and that's it. It's ready to use again. And this works in no matter what recline function. So even if it's reclined all the way, same thing. Put it away, pull it back up, and of course you have to just recline it again to whatever level you want. So it's super easy to use, super fast to put it together or put it away. To put the tray on, all there is, these handles, put them on, and that's it. You're ready to use the table. So when they say it's a 1 second fold away, it truly is 1 second. You literally just make sure that the tray is off, of course, but you literally just pull this and that's it. It's done. It's ready to store away. I'm really happy with this product. It's designed well. It looks to be high quality product. It's easy to wipe off. This comes off actually if you need to wash. So there's tabs here that you can pull it off. All of this can be wiped off easily to clean. Of course, this is going to be a messy area when your kids are learning to eat. There is a cup holder to put this on. All you're going to do is clip it on and make sure it snaps in place so that it's secure and your kid's not swinging it around. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.